Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Cryptocurrency is spiking up as an instrument for tyranny. From obligation, surveillance, to negative interest rates, crypto is giving dictators and global corporate leaders new ways to intimidate, oppress, and subjugate humanity. Proponents paint Bitcoin or BTC and other cryptocurrency an antidote to totalitarian government and central bank. Simultaneously, international corporations and startups alike have designed blockchain platform and products that could be used on behalf of totalitarian government and central bank. Microsoft body activity data. One example is Microsoft, which applied for a patent for a cryptocurrency system using body activity data. As part of the cryptocurrency mining process, the cryptocurrency system gives a task to your device, instructing you to complete a human body activity. A sensor in the user device registers the body activity, and then the cryptocurrency system rewards the user. The sensed body activity is associated with the received task and transmits the generated body activity data to a system or network which verifies the body activity data to award cryptocurrency. It's reminiscent of the Justin Timberlake movie In Time, where a future society uses time from one lifespan as its primary currency, with each individual possessing a clock on their arm that counts down how long they have to live. When the clock hits zero, they are dead. Smart key, Horizon, Poland leverage and Electron blockchain to run a trial of smart key, a bridging technology that connects blockchain technology to the lock to your home. For example, they say it's to aid in police, fire, and ambulance service. Smart key allows emergency crews to enter any building and the city without needing to find the key holder or wait for permission. Blockchain Association Police hate US SaltNet compete with China CBDC using surveillance tools. The need for our rescue service to perform their duties without obstruction is a delicate one. The use of blockchain and smart key technology seems to be like the perfect solution, giving reassurance to building owners and inhabitants, but also freedom for our emergency service. According to Gustav Mark Brezin, the Marshal of the Warminsko Mazursky, in which Horizon is located. As any student of political science knows, the bedrock of any constitution is the freedom for our emergency service. Central Bank Digital Currency, or CBDC, the European Central Bank ECB, noted in a white paper that it would be possible single CBDC transaction in a nation. All transactions under such a regime will be known to the central bank and anyone with whom the bank chooses to share information. With a digital currency, central bank can impose restriction on the holding of money. The ECB has discussed capping the amount a person can hold, limiting the time a person can hold an amount of money, and imposing negative interest rates on amounts that the bank deems excessive. Similar functionality is present in the Bank of China CBDC. Dystopian policy can be implemented more easily with a digital currency, including negative interest rates and more. Mass surveillance. Ledger founder Pascal Gaucher says the European Union transfer of funds regulation bill is little more than mass surveillance. Imagine you have a wallet, your leather wallet, and you have got cash in it. Now every time that you are going to pay in cash somewhere, you are going to have to flash your ID. and they are going to note your name. Gowder said, "This is not the world I want to live in." He added, "Some groups in the European Parliament have some very specific and dogmatic agenda, using as excuse to ban Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as much as possible rumors they have heard. Like, oh, I heard it's for money launderers." Okay, maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.